Hey Sarah, you know what's been on my mind lately? I sit there alone at night staring at my notebook, trying to practice English speaking, but the words just don't come out. It feels so lonely, like nobody understands how scared I am to make mistakes.
Oh, Maurice, I feel that exact same way. My heart beats fast every time I think about talking, and then I just stay quiet. It's really frustrating, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Honestly, it used to make me want to give up on learning English completely, but then something simple changed everything for me. Today, I really want to talk about using ChatGPT to learn English? It's been like having a kind friend who never judges.
Wait, ChatGPT? I've heard people mention it, but I didn't know it could help with speaking. Tell me more, because that lonely feeling you just described, that happens to me every single day.
Exactly. Imagine you're practicing alone and suddenly you have someone who listens and answers back right away. For me, it started when I was stuck on simple conversations. I typed, "Can you pretend to be my friend and talk about daily life?" And it just flowed.
That sounds so warm. I tried it once too, but I was nervous at first. I asked it to correct my sentence about my day, and it explained everything so gently. It made me feel safe, like I could try again without feeling stupid.
Right? That's the best part. People face this big problem when they learn English. There's no one around to practice with at night or early morning, and the fear of mistakes stops everything. But with ChatGPT, it's there 24 hours. I used it last week when I couldn't sleep.
I get that. Honestly, I felt the same once. I remember practicing for a job interview in my head, but my mind went blank. So I opened ChatGPT and said, let's role play a job interview, but keep it simple and kind. It asked me easy questions and I answered out loud. My confidence grew so much in 10 minutes.
Yeah, that makes sense actually. What you said earlier reminds me of my own story. I was scared to order food in English at a cafe. I typed the situation and it gave me natural sentences like, "Could I have the chicken sandwich, please?" Then I practiced saying them slowly. The next day, I did it for real, and it worked.
Oh, wow, that's beautiful. I love how you share that. For me, the biggest problem was pronunciation. I'd write something, but never know if it sounded right. ChatGPT can even explain sounds simply. I asked, how do you say comfortable slowly? And it helps me repeat it.
Exactly. And you know what else? Sometimes beginners worry ChatGPT answers too perfectly, like a book, not like a real person. I felt that too at the start. But I learned a small trick. I tell it, "Speak like a normal friend, not too formal." Then it becomes so natural.
That's a good point. I tried asking for advice about feeling shy in English conversations. It didn't just give rules, it shared, I understand, many people feel nervous too. That emotional part really touched me. It helped my English listening because I read the replies out loud.
You're right. It improves communication step by step. Like, I practice listening by copying its answers in my voice. Then I record myself. The other day, I asked, "Can we talk about weekend plans?" And we had a full back and forth. I felt like I was actually chatting with someone.
That reminds me of something funny. I once typed a wrong sentence on purpose. I goed to market yesterday. It gently said, you mean went, right? Here's how friends say it. No shame, just help. That kindness helped me stop fearing errors and start improving my English speaking every day.
Honestly, I felt the same once. Before, I would freeze when friends asked, "How was your day?" Now I have practice lines ready because of ChatGPT. It's like a patient teacher who becomes your friend. And the best thing? It helps build English fluency without pressure.
Yeah, exactly. People face another problem too. They don't know what to say first. They open the app and just stare. I tell myself now, start small. Hi, can you help me practice ordering coffee? Simple. And suddenly the conversation grows.
That makes sense. What you said earlier about starting small, I do that every morning, 5 minutes only. Ask for 3 new sentences about family, then say them out loud. My speaking got smoother and listening improved because I hear its natural rhythm.
I love that you do it daily. For me, it helped before I met my international friend online. I practiced, tell me about your hobbies, and ChatGPT replied like a real chat. When the real conversation happened, I wasn't nervous. It felt like I had already practiced with a kind friend.
Aw, that's such a sweet story. Honestly, it makes my heart warm. Many learners feel stuck because they compare themselves to perfect speakers on YouTube. But with ChatGPT, you compare only to yesterday's you. That's how real progress happens.
Right? And sometimes it even helps with emotions. I typed, I feel shy speaking English. What can I say to myself? It gave gentle words like, it's okay to pause, take a breath. I use that now. It improved my communication not just in English, but inside too.
That's deep. I remember one night I was sad because I couldn't explain my feelings in English. I asked ChatGPT, how do people share emotions simply? It gave examples like, today I feel tired but happy. I practiced them, and the next day I told my sister. She understood me perfectly.
That's beautiful, Maurice. It really shows how this tool turns learning English into something personal. Problems like no practice partner or fear of speaking, they slowly disappear. You just need to try it with an open heart.
Exactly. And for listening, I play its answers on text to speech sometimes. Slow speed first, then normal. It helps my ear catch real life English. I feel more fluent now, like the words live inside me.
I never thought of the text to speech part. I'll try that tonight. What you said earlier about daily 5 minutes, I'm going to start that too. It feels doable, not like a big, scary lesson.
Yeah, that's the magic. It's not studying, it's talking with a friend who helps you grow. I use it for travel English last month. Pretend we're at the airport. Ask me questions. We practiced lost luggage, directions, everything. Then my real trip felt easy.
Oh, I can picture that. My problem was always small talk at parties. I asked ChatGPT, give me natural ways to start chats in English. It gave warm lines like, the weather is nice today, isn't it? I practiced smiling while saying them. Now I feel confident.
That reminds me, I want to share one more thing. Sometimes people worry ChatGPT might make mistakes, but honestly, for beginner level like us, it's perfect. If something feels off, just ask, is this natural for friends? It fixes itself kindly.
You're so right. I did that once with grammar. It explained without making me feel small. That support helped my English listening because I started noticing patterns naturally.
Exactly. And the best part for all of us watching, you can do this anytime, anywhere, on your phone, quietly. No one needs to know you're practicing. That privacy gave me courage to keep going.
I felt less alone too. Before, I thought only I struggled with speaking, but when I asked ChatGPT about common problems, it said, many learners feel nervous at first. That's normal. It made me smile.
Yeah, so if you're listening right now and you felt that lonely practice feeling, you're not alone. Try asking ChatGPT one small question today. Maybe, can we talk about food? Just speak out loud. You'll feel the difference.
That's such good advice, Maurice. And if it helps your English speaking even a little, tell us in the comments. Share your first sentence or how it felt. We read everyone. It makes this journey together.
Honestly, reading your stories inspires us too. Some of you already tried it and said it improved your communication. That warms my heart. Keep practicing, friends. Small steps lead to real English fluency.
You know what? Let's do a tiny practice right now, like we're chatting with ChatGPT. Maurice, pretend you're ordering food. I'll answer like the app.
Okay. Hi, could I have a cup of tea and a sandwich, please?
Sure, what kind of sandwich? And would you like sugar in your tea? See? It flows so naturally. That's the feeling we want you to have.
Yeah, exactly. Try that at home. Pause the video, speak your answer, then continue. It builds listening and speaking together.
I love how simple it feels. No pressure, just warm practice. And slowly your confidence grows. I remember the first time I felt proud after a full chat, tears came to my eyes.
Oh, I know that feeling. It's emotional, right? Learning English isn't just words, it's opening your world. ChatGPT helped me open mine without fear.
That's so true. And for anyone watching who feels stuck, start tonight. Ask one question. Share in the comments what you said. We're here cheering for you.
Yeah, and if this helped even a little with your English speaking or listening, give the video a like. It means the world. And if you want more real chats like this, subscribe and press that bell so we can keep talking every week.
We'll see you in the comments, okay? Tell us your ChatGPT story or your first practice sentence. We can't wait to read them and maybe even reply together. Take care, friends.
Yeah, take care. Speak kindly to yourself today. You've got this. See you soon.
Bye for now and keep practicing with that warm friend inside your phone.